Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Gout. Gout is a metabolic disease which is characterized by recurrent episodes of acute arthritis, mainly due to the deposition of monosodium urate crystals, especially in the joints and the cartilage. In the joints and cartilage, there is deposition of monosodium urate crystals. The gout is usually associated with high uric acid levels, that is hyperuricemia is seen. It is poorly soluble agent and the major end product of purine metabolism. Clinically, gout is associated with hyperuricemia, um, and sometimes hyperuricemia may also not never be seen.
thank you and thank you for watching.